Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this vacuum cleaner and air duster device. It is, I guess the different colors come silver, silver gray, and silver purple. I have the silver gray model, and we're going to check this thing out. Look at this. It comes with a nice little convenient little case. That's everything out of the box. I'm going to put the box over here. And we will open this up and check out what's inside. I like the way it comes with a little case like this, so I'll be able to just keep this handy. And in here we have all our vacuum and devices and everything like that. So let's check this out. So this is the vacuum here. So it looks like it comes on a rotating handle. So I can rotate it this way here to hold it normally. It's got a little button here and here. It's got the charger going in there. Oh, I see there's a little light right there. I guess when I push the button, the light goes on. And then this one here might be the vacuum. So there it is, vacuuming. And it's, I guess pushing it once makes it turn on. Pushing it a second time increases the vacuum. And pushing it again. I see the lights on here, so it's, I guess that's the different levels of suction power you have. So this is the high. It's almost enough to hold itself. It's pretty good. And then let me see if I can hold it down to turn it off. That's a nice little vacuum. This will be handy to have around the house here or around my car. I'll probably bring this one down to my car. And then we have all these different little attachments here. Let's start with all these different things here and just see what we got. So we have a long attachment here. So I guess this would be to get into little crevices and areas that are tough to reach. So let me see. Oh, I forgot I had to hold it down. And I didn't even charge it yet, but there we go. So this is going to give me the ability to suck up stuff there. So I can do it around wherever. Yeah, it's pretty good. Picked up all the stuff on my counter. And it's got a little filter in there as well. Oh, let me turn this off. I'll show you guys. Let me take this off. I'll show you. So it's got this little filter here. So everything will stay in there. It'll be easy to dump out the goop. And I guess if you turn it around this way, this is going to give you the ability to have a blower. So I'm guessing that's what like these attachments are for. So if I do this, ooh, check this out. The blower. Oh, and it goes even higher. That's really cool. Wow, that's a good blower. And then I can put this one on to get into areas. Man, all my paper towels are blowing all over the place. But yeah, you can see it's got a good blow. And then if we go back to the front way again, let me put this back on here. So we have this one here too. So this, oops, I lost the little tip. But okay, so this one here, it's got a little brush area there. So if you're trying to get into little crevices and all, let's see what we got here. We have this type here. So we can have, oops. You can get it with a brush, so that's kind of nice for certain areas too. Like that'll kind of rough up the carpet a little bit, so that's kind of nice. We have this one here, which is a wider version of it. Let me go back to this way. So that'll be a good wide vacuum. So let me see, as we're going through the pieces, I'll put them aside. So we went through these two. And then we have different shaped tips here for the blower side of it. So this one here will blow into like tiny little areas, good for like getting in the vents and whatnot. It comes with a little carrying bag, so if we didn't want to bring it in the case, we could do that. Here is a additional filter. This one here, you can see the filter in there is just a little metal mesh one. This one here is more of a little heavier duty filter. We have a cleaning brush, a little one and a big one. And this type of brush here. Let's see, what else do we got here? What is this? This must be some sort of clip to hang it from. And we have some tweezers. I guess this is just cleaning apparatuses. And then what's in here? The charging cord. And it looks like it's going to be USB to USB-C to charge it. Let me just check in here and see if I missed anything. I don't think so. Pretty much saw it all. But yeah, it's nice. So this is going to be my new go-to. Oh, look at that. It even shows you can use it for, hold on a second here, inflating stuff. Like you see, they're using it to inflate an air mattress. So then I can use the back side of it like this and put it on the blow mode and have it fill up an air mattress. How cool would that be? That'll fill it up in a heartbeat because it goes fast, especially on high. So really cool blower and vacuum. So I like it, and I like the way it twists around like that. It's kind of cool the way it has a little light. I'm not sure if the light's going to be too useful for me, but it works. So thumbs up on this one here. Pick up one of these, and you're all set. I'm all set, so I like it.